What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? This is J Doug with a. I think this is this my first unboxing. No, this is my second unboxing because I did the Bugera wireless system. So I'm back with another unboxing from Sweetwater. As you can probably see from the thumbnail and the title of the video, I'm unboxing the Bugera tube preamp. I think it's like the 2001T. It's the Bugera head with the tube. So as you see, this is the box that it came in. They're Sweetwater. They're awesome customer service. They even gave me a 10% off coupon. So this is the Bugera Veyron tube. So now I just pulled it out of the box. This is what it looks like inside of the manufacturer's box. So of course it comes with your power cable, standard 3-prong. Wow, isn't she just beautiful? So it comes in this really nice like styrofoam holder so it doesn't get damaged or it doesn't move around too much inside of the box. I'm not too sure, but I heard that when preamps or amps have tubes in them that they're not supposed to move around a lot. Something to do with the tubes. I'm still learning about tubes. I'm a solid state man. So but yeah, it has a DI on the back. It has your two speak-on cable outlets. It has a tuner out and various other controls. This right here is what it looks like powered on. The master knob lights up first, and then the tubes come on. The LEDs inside of the head will start to light up to give it a more tube-ish kind of look. Some people don't like it. I think it's pretty cool. But as you see, we have mute, clip, minus 15 dB, gain, volume, compressor knob to set your ratios and stuff like that. You have bass, mid frequency, and treble. I think it's a great preamp. I think the tone on this thing sounds awesome. I'm gonna attach a video of me playing to a song by a great artist here, local artist in Austin, Texas. In the future, I'm gonna do a more in-depth tone video, but right now this is just a little taste, so I hope you enjoy.